Hi, my name is Jocelyn Ali Joseph from Bachelor of Science Construction Technology. My team members are Maxwell Mangi Anazamri, Muhammad Firdaus bin A. Hamid Faiz, and Muhammad Hazim bin Zaim. My title for innovation is Flexible Fork in Handling and Transportation of Concrete Block, supervised by Associate Professor Technologist Dr. Siti Akhtar binti Mahayuddin. The content in presentation outline are introduction, objective, methodology, result and discussion, outcome or novelty of the study, and lastly is conclusions. Introduction. There are three elements in background of study for introduction. First is smart building, second is industrialized building system, and lastly is sustainable development goals, consists SDG 9 and SDG 11. There are two concepts for this innovation. First is brick technology and second is adjustable. There are three problem statements consist damage of concrete block, inefficient handling, and lastly is increased safety risk. Objective. There are three research objectives. First is to identify the issues and problems of blockwork during handling in the warehouse. Second is to innovate effective ways of transporting the concrete blockwork to the warehouse. And lastly is to demonstrate a marketability skill in proposing innovative transportation for blockwork. Methodology. The suitable framework for this innovation is design thinking, consists empathize, define, ideate, simulation, and lastly is test. Results and discussions. There are 6 processes of simulation. First is planning. Second is detailing. In detailing shape, there will be dimension and elevations of fork. First is plan view, front elevations, back elevations, right elevations, and left elevations. The third process of simulation is creating. Fourth is simulations. 5 is refinement. And lastly is model. Here is the video of fork assembling and performance of the product. There will be 4 parts of assembling of the fork. And here is the performance of the product. Comparison between existing product and innovation. For flexible fork in handling and transportation of concrete block, primary function, lifting and transporting pellets and load. Fork design, long horizontal fork, typical for standard pellets. Load and handling, handle standard pellets and large square loads. Maintenance, once a year maintenance for hydraulic system. And lastly is safety consideration, secure load shifting because of the strong stability. Outcome or novelty of the study. There are 2 aspects in marketability. First is target market, consists construction company, warehouse operator, forklift manufacturers, and lastly is logistic and transportation. While market needs and demand consists reduction of damage, efficiency, cost saving, and lastly is safety. There are 4 significant of innovation. First is enhancing efficiency and productivity. Second is advancing industry standard. Third is environmental benefits, and lastly, improving safety. Conclusion. There are 4 advantages in conclusion. First is reduce the number of workers in warehouse. Second is reduce the time of the workers in the warehouse. Third is increase the time of transportations. And lastly is reduce injury in the workplace. This innovation benefit to workers in the warehouse, construction industry, forklift manufacturers, and logistics. That's all for me. Thank you.